Today I wanted to personally introduce you to the all-new Sōlace 42CS, Sōlace's flagship model for their lineup. My name is Jeremy Eck with the BoatHouse Group. This particular boat is powered by quad Mercury 425s and has a lot of amazing features I want to walk through with you on this boat. Starting out here in the transom, we have this nice, wide, pretty much a couch back here. Port to starboard seating all the way across. As you know, on all your Sōlaces, all your cushions are all magnetic, so they pop right off. So those days you're pleasure cruising with the family, a lot of great seating all the way across the stern of the boat. Or if those days you're gonna hardcore fish it, pull all your cushions off. You got access to your live wells, both port and starboard. Large cooler here in the center for all of your drinks, everything like that. As well as you have your flip down steps for those days you are sitting here on the back of the boat. As we walk around the stern of this boat, we've got a port side dive door, flips open to get access at the docks or whatever the case may be there, as well as you have your dive ladder that flips right out of the floor. Very convenient for those days at the sandbar. Underneath of us here, this boat is equipped with a Seakeeper gyro stabilizer on board. So as we're sitting out here in the Gulf right now, keeping us very stable and comfortable as we're rocking around in seas. Just very nice setup for that. This particular boat also has no generator on board. We've done a full lithium power package setup. This boat is capable of doing those overnights. If you've got the AC running, all of your lights, music, whatever the case may be, you leave it on that lithium power package and that will run your systems throughout the night. On the stern of this boat, we've also have two different layouts here. We have this tackle center prep station, which you see here. This particular one's gonna be set up with sink, little dedicated storage on the port side, as well as your grill over here on the starboard side. And then we've also got flats here where we can do refrigerators, tackle storage, whatever the case may be there. The other option is to go with a rear-facing mezzanine seat that would have a backrest that folds down for a lot of tackle storage, cooler underneath the bottom side. Just two different options depending on how you're gonna do your boating. As we walk up the port and starboard side of the boat, we've got nice large in-deck floor fish boxes. We've got a small one here on the starboard corner. If you notice, all their in-floor latches are all what they call slam latches. So easy one-hand design to lift up. When you're gonna close, just close them shut. You don't have any of the lift and twist to stub your toe or trip on over as you are walking around the boat and fishing. A little bit further forward, we have a nice large fish box here. This has a 50-50 split door. Opens all the way up. Really nice for large fish, or if someone's standing here, you just need to open one of the two. Again, very convenient. Close those off, all on slam latches. Those are gonna be both on the port and starboard side. One of the new features on the Sōlace 42 over the older 41 model is this dual row of Helm chairs. You're gonna have 6 seats all on suspension, so it makes it very nice and comfortable. You can adjust them to your weight. So you're sitting there as you're hitting seas, they're gonna compress up and down, as well as we've got this nice bulkhead across this stern wall. You can flip it open and closed if you'd like. What that does is if you want it wide open, get some airflow through, like we have the forward windshield open as well as that currently, as well as you can close it all off, and it kind of keeps the wind out from the helm here. So it makes it very nice and calm as you're running 45, 50 mile an hour. You can have nice conversation without getting wind blown around the helm of the boat. As well as we're gonna have AC up in the hardtop as well as coming out of the dash. So it keeps it very nice and cool for those hot days in the summer. And we can also run the full track system in and close it off with isinglass. If it's real snotty out, super cold, you want to heat it up, whatever the case may be. Or we can run that isinglass out as gull wings just to keep that spray or anything like that off of you. As we come over to the port side of the boat, this door looks like it's something out of a submarine. Opens up, gets completely out of the way. Nice large opening over here. So if you're putting any luggage or baggage down below, opens up, locks out of place, nice opening. As we step down into the cabin, you got both port and starboard side couches, and the backrest on either side will fill in that center section and make it about a queen size berth. We have a nice cabinet set up, separate head with rainfall shower, and just makes it very, very comfortable for those days on the water. Here at the helm as well, we're gonna have Nice large oversized 22-inch displays, nice teak trim accenting, all of your electronics, Seakeeper ride system. We've got joystick controls, autopilot, everything right here at your fingertips to make it very comfortable when running the boat. Continue walking up and down the boat. We've got port and starboard hoses for both raw water and fresh water. Nice easy switch to go between the two of those. You don't got to switch sides in order to get raw water or fresh water. It's all right there. A little bit further forward, dedicated fire extinguisher storage. You've got your lockable rod holder storage on both port and starboard, as well as a lot of nice storage up in the gunnel sides up here, whether that be for life vest, additional tackle. You got your trash can built in the wall right here. Again, all slam latches, easily accessible. Coming up a little bit further forward, nice large lounger up here in the front. It does kind of scallop back towards that backrest, so you are in C's and bouncing around. You don't feel your butt sliding forward. Just keeps you nice against that backrest, very comfortable. Walk arounds up in the bow. Again, all of your cushions on those magnets. Nice, easy to get to. One-hand latches to get into all of your compartments up in the front. And then a center walk-through all the way up to your anchor locker up here. Nice, easy access into the anchor locker. A large fall area, so room to access your line if you need to push any of your rode out of the way as you're pulling an anchor in. It's very easily accessible with additional fender storage right up here in the bow. Some of the small features that I really like on a Solace is their true understanding to fit and finish, the fine details on the boat that makes it a very nice boat long term. Little things like, again, I was talking about those slam latches. Every single one of your hatches has a gas shock. All of your hinges, all through bolted, not just screwed. Little things like that that make your boat last a lot longer. As well as you're gonna have, as you look up and down the gunnel sides, not just rod holders, but cup holders all around the boat. On the bottom side of those cup holders, they're not just your chintzy little cup holders. You can put heavy weights in them. You're not gonna ding them up. Just those little things that over the time of using your boat, you'll see some boats that start to deteriorate and don't look as good on the boat. So just those fine details, little things like that as you walk around the boat, you know, dedicated locations for everything, whether that be your safety equipment with your life vest, your fire extinguishers, flares, all of your different storage for that, trash can storage, all sorts of little things that really make a difference on a true boater's boat. So I just wanted to do this quick walkthrough, just kind of show you around some of the amazing features, some of the updates they've done when they changed it from the 41CS to the 42CS, and just show you around what an amazing boat this is. Again, my name is Jeremy Eck with the BoatHouse. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to any one of us, stop by one of our stores, or check us out on our website, Facebook, or any social media platforms. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the water.